If you've never sewn before but have a burning desire to learn how to hem jeans, embroider, or quilt, the best sewing machines can give you the creative inspiration to create the projects of your dreams. With a sewing machine at home, you can not only fix your garments, but also create various items such as pillow covers, bedroom decor, and even your clothing designs. Luckily, every sewing machine comes standard with many add-ons, choices, and options, some of which are even computerized. We analyzed hundreds of models to determine the best sewing machines on the market and the most appropriate styles for your home sewing projects. Additionally, our sewing specialists put new models from well-known manufacturers through their paces, evaluating threading ease, distinctive features, and stitching effectiveness with various types of fabric, as well as input from testers and online reviews. Here are the best sewing machines that you can shop for now. For more videos reviewing household items like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Consumer Sherpa. Magicfly Sewing Machine. We have a Magicfly Sewing Machine at number 1. Our review of the Magicfly Sewing Machine today includes a lightweight, portable machine that fits in a dust-proof bag. It's portable, so you can sew whenever and wherever you want. It is famous for its dual power supply mode and high-speed performance. A button or foot pedal is all that is needed to start the sewing machine, which can be powered by either AC, DC, or battery power. Also, there's a speed control button on the device, so you can adjust the speed to match your sewing skills. Additional table and lighting. This sewing machine is more stable when placed on an extension table. When you buy a Magicfly sewing machine, it comes with a premium sewing kit that includes 42 pieces of sewing equipment, including 36 bobbins, 5 needles, 1 threader, 1 scissor, 1 measure, and 1 extension table. Also included are a built-in light and a thread cutter, making sure that sewing is done in a well-lit environment and that the thread is cut cleanly. It is available in 2 colors, blue and white or purple and white, and costs a decent amount of money. Whether you're looking to teach someone else or learn the basics of sewing, this is an excellent machine. Brother Sewing Machine. Sewers of all skill levels will benefit significantly from the CS7000X, one of the manufacturer's many models. Sewers of all skill levels will have no problem operating this well-built sewing machine, which is loaded with valuable features. It is well-known and highly adaptable, making it an excellent fabric for various applications, from clothing to quilts. Sew any design you can imagine on any material thanks to the 70 built-in stitches, including heirloom, utility, and quilting. Backlit LCD screens make reading important information such as stitch type, length, and width a breeze when using this machine at night. Stitch length and selection are both adjustable via a push-button mechanism. What's more, you can see why the Brother CS7000X is so well loved by sewing enthusiasts of all skill levels, from beginning hobbyists to seasoned professionals. It has so many valuable features. An improved needle threader and a drop-in top bobbin make this model easier to use, less frustrating to thread, and jam-resistant. To accommodate larger quilting projects, the model CS7000X includes an extension table that can be attached or removed. The metal frame of the sewing machine gives it long-term durability and makes it easy to move and store. Singer Sewing Machine. You may want to consider the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 if you're a sewing enthusiast looking for an affordable sewing machine. The 4452 is one of the most capable machines in its price range and is the top model in Singer's heavy-duty sewing machine line. There are many uses for the Singer 4452. Those just beginning their sewing journey will benefit significantly from its mechanical design. Still, it's an excellent choice for those who want a sewing machine free of any computerized features. An impressive 1,100 stitches per minute are possible with the 4452's powerful motor. If you're a more advanced user, you won't have to worry about waiting for the machine to keep up with you. The metal frame and outer shell of the 4452 are built to last for many years. Inside there's steel, outside there's rigid plastic. 32 stitches are included in this model. The 18 decorative buttons and 1 buttonhole button provide just enough variety to cover most projects and materials. This heavy-duty sewing machine also has an extra high presser foot lift, an essential characteristic for heavy sewing materials because the presser foot can be just as problematic as the motor. This is it if you're looking for a high-quality mechanical machine to handle thick fabrics. Varmax Sewing Machine. The Varmax sewing machine is another low-cost option that we'll show you in our video today. It measures 6.9 inches long, 8.6 inches wide, and weighs just 2.75 pounds. The speed control feature is great if you're a part-time sewer who prefers to sew slowly at the beginning of each session. The Varmax does not have a reverse function, which is a disappointment because many of the mini sewing machines on this list do. However, the drop-in bobbin on the Varmax makes it relatively simple to thread. There's a fair amount of thread rethreading with this method, as the top thread tends to skip and become disengaged from the needle. Even though this sewing machine only has 2 speeds, low and high, it's great to see a more pricey feature on a much smaller and more affordable machine. This Varmax device, like the sewing machine that we previously reviewed, is incredible for the price that it commands. Considering the price, it'd be absurd to expect it to compete with the big boys. A compact sewing machine used only for simple stitching on light fabrics is a good choice for the Varmax. Janome Sewing Machine. The Janome HD1000, a heavy-duty mechanical sewing machine, appears to be nothing special. There are only a few stitches and no bells and whistles on these machines. However, this type of machine is ideal for certain types of work. The first impression of the Janome HD1000 sewing machine is that it's very similar to other devices in this category. Aluminum frame? There. Is the stitch count low? Present. Right? Thread tension and stitch length can be manually adjusted via dials, right? All present. Let's be clear. The Janome HD1000 heavy-duty sewing machine is a home sewing machine, not a commercial-grade or industrial-grade machine, as might be seen in online stores. However, its design and heavy-duty construction are influenced by industrial sewing machines. If you buy this sewing machine, what else do you get? Additional presser feet are included, such as an ultra-glide foot for sewing through sticky materials. Other items include sewing patterns and machine decals. Janome also includes a package of leather needles in the purchase price. Finally, a top-of-the-line sewing machine for an experienced or novice stylist should be able to withstand frequent use and provide features that are up to the standards of even the most demanding users. The Magicfly Sewing Machine came out on top of the list because it performed exceptionally well in our evaluations of its ease of use and sophisticated functionality. On the other hand, the Varmax sewing machine is an excellent choice for those shopping on a limited budget. Despite its compact size, this sewing machine includes all the essential accessories for getting started in sewing, such as a thread cutter and a bobbin that can be dropped in. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our other videos reviewing household items. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.